Welcome back to Hilly's Travels. Right, this is a video we're going to do on the Golden Mile during the early afternoon from the Park Santiago 3 all the way down to the Vista Sur Centre. And again, as I say in all the videos, please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell to be notified of future videos and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, everyone. Appreciate that. Beautiful street, this. Nice and quiet now, as you can see. I'm going to do a walk along here in the evening in a separate video, and you can see it all come to life with the lights and the music, lots of people about. Great place to hang out. Lots of restaurants. There was mini golf just there as well. We just passed by a moment ago. And over here on the right hand side, as I pan around, you're going to see the Mare Nostrum. And then we're going to walk by the newly refurbished Mediterranean Palace Hotel as well.
E-mailben írok, Orsinak írok egy e-mailt ma, mindjárt, jó? Leérünk és megírom, hogy esetleg lehet-e, hogy holnapkor ezt a gyógyszert kapjuk.
It's nice, isn't it? The Hard Rock Café is in there behind that. The fountain circling down the steps. It's really nice, that. Some nice shops across the way. Right, swinging around here, you'll see the fountains are on over in the Safari Centre across the road there. And again, they light up in the evening like dancing fountains. It's lovely. So if you're ever coming out here, definitely check that out. In fact, comment below. Have you been to any of the restaurants in that Safari Centre? I'm actually looking for recommendations myself. Although I'll give you recommendations when I'm done here after this week is over. That's the newly refurbished Mediterranean Palace Hotel just ahead. Those of you that may have been here a few years ago, that's the hotel that was painted blue on the outside. I think they refurbed it about a year ago or something. More shops across there. nice little walk down to a beach down that way. Oh, there's a really nice beach coming up ahead here as well, just at the end of our walk, where we're finishing the walk at the Vista Sur Centre. Las Vistas Beach is right there. It's a great beach actually. Now, hope you're enjoying this walk. I certainly am. It's beautiful, isn't it? That Mediterranean Palace Hotel again there. Sure, it's hard to see when I'm filming, it's so bright. Oriental Garden across the way. There's teppanyaki. Actually, it's the second teppanyaki restaurant I've seen in the last couple of minutes. There's one at the Safari Centre as well. Usually for the teppanyaki, you might on busy evenings have to book a table. Something I'm hoping to do while I'm here this week. If I get around to it, I'll certainly do a vlog, so you can all see what it's all about. Huge hotel, that Mediterranean Palace. We're still walking past it. So we're going to cross over the road here. Again, there's more amenities down here. You got a supermarket, lots of shops, expensive shops over the other side of the road. That's the Oasis Centre across there. Apologies if the video is shaking just a little bit. I'm using just a normal selfie stick. My normal gimbal isn't working. Over here, dead ahead, there's the Vista Sur Centre. Just before that, there's the Compostela Beach Apartments. And there's the Vista Sur Centre just ahead. That's where we're going to end this video. If you're still with me, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.